Type it, play it, watch it come alive. One little sentence, now the speakers vibe. No studio, no delay. Just one line and we press play. Dream it, hear it, feel that bass. Future sound in a single phrase.
This entire song was created with AI. Hi creators, welcome back to AI Business Brains. Today we are diving into Tunesona, an AI music platform that turns your words into full songs. No instruments, no studio, no music training, just type what you want and hit generate. Turn your words into songs instantly. Let's start simple. Say you want an upbeat pop song about chasing dreams at sunrise. Just type into Tunesona, hit generate, and in seconds your song is ready. Such a beautiful melody it has created. Next, you can generate lyrics and customize styles. For example, let's create rap song about overcoming challenges. Tunesona can also add vocal styles, beats, and adjust tempo.
回不去的那些留恋，阳光下你微笑的脸，喜欢你，我的那颗心有一处满面，收集你的笑颜。
Check this result, so inspirational. Need background music for your videos, vlogs, or streams? Just tell Tunesona the genre and mood, and it instantly creates the right track. I'm using different styles. Let's create. Ready.
Create lo-fi jazz for a chill YouTube vlog.
There are music options already available. You can choose the one that suits you. These are their plans. They have basic, pro, and premier plans starting from $7, $10, and $70.